Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure core prerequisites are present. First, open Turn Windows features on or off and enable the required NET versions. Once done, run Windows Update and install all pending updates so components match. Make sure to reboot when prompted. Next, download the exact offline NET framework installer that matches your OS build. This avoids corrupted web installs. You'll do the heavy lifting right away, so the installer won't fail due to missing updates or disabled features. Once your system is updated, repair corruption before installing. Run DISM with Restore Health to fetch good component files, then run SFC to replace damaged system files. This prevents setup errors caused by corrupted OS components. After those finish, right-click the offline installer and choose Run as administrator. Elevated rights are often required. While the setup runs, keep an eye on the installer log located in %temp% or the setup logs folder, so you can spot permission or file errors quickly and act on them. After a successful install, reboot immediately and verify the framework appears in Programs and Features or by checking registry keys under HKLM/software/Microsoft/ NET framework. If the installer still failed, inspect the CBS and setup logs for result or specific error codes. Those tell you why a package rejected. If you hit persistent errors, run the System Update Readiness tool or apply the specific Windows Update KB that the log names. One key tip: match installer architecture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.